Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. So, you see it? This is my next restoration project. Champion Blower and Forge number 101 post drill. This picked up on eBay. It just got here, it came in all kinds of different pieces, but it's pretty it's in pretty good shape, even though it looks really rough. So let me bring you in for a closer look, just so you can see how it works and stuff like that, and then we'll get to restoring. All right. Okay, so let's start with what it is. Basically, it's a hand crank drill press, right? It's made to be put on posts in, say, like a barn or something, where you would have the big post coming down and then you would mount this whole piece onto the post. Here I have it simulated with a 4x4 in my vise, and then I just have it clamped on for now. But basically, once you have that, a drill bit will go into this chuck like that, and then you spin it with this hand crank. It spins the chuck and it'll drill a hole on your workpiece. So on this side of the drill press, I'm sorry, the post drill, it has this flywheel, which basically, as you're hand cranking it, the weight of this and the centrifugal motion actually helps you turn it so you're not using just arm strength. And it also has this pulley, which I'm guessing was made so that you could put it on a motor and the motor would spin it. That I'll be removing because I think I'm not going to put it up against the motor. I want it to be more of a showpiece, and I think it'll look better being able to see through this and see the post drill from both sides. So that'll be something that I modify here. But stay tuned and let's get to restoring. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, so I'm continuing the disassembly. I've now moved all the parts over to my other table. I'll show you guys that in a second. But I got a few more things. Still trying to figure out how to get this part off. Not even sure it comes out, but I wish it did, so I could clean it better, but we'll see. I don't know. I can't get it off, so I'm not even going to continue trying. I should be able to clean it on here anyway, so. Alright, well, I'm actually going to just take off this piece of wood because I'm going to be replacing it. Fairly simple piece of wood. I'll be replacing this. Alright, so let's take it over there and then I'll show you a picture of everything. So I have the all the parts in here soaking in a vinegar and salt bath, and I gotta leave that in there for, I don't know, at least 12 hours probably, to loosen up the rust and any of the paint that might still be on there. But I think I'm gonna end up using the wire wheel on my grinder. I'm going to test it on just a handle, because I'm not sure if that's going to be too aggressive. I mean, I think it's going to be fine just because it's metal on metal, but I'm going to test it on my handle, and I'm going to end up painting everything because I want it to look shiny and new essentially. So I think the wire wheel is going to be the best way to go. This is stripping it down to just the metal. Kizzy, hop up. Say hi. Say hi. Gadget, come here. Come here, hop up. Gadget. Hop up. Say hi. Hello. Good boys. Alright, go outside. Alright, well, now that I have everything cleaned off and I have my backboard finished up, it's time to put it all together. I don't remember what the set screw that was on here looks like, so better go back and look. Okay, so I set it up on the post because I think most of the work that's left is going to be done on here. So I don't really have any heavy grease or anything for this, so I'm using Ballistol, which is one of my favorite greases or oils, I guess. This is heavy. I just realized, other than making the mistake of putting the flywheel on too early, when I should have put that other piece on, there's one other huge piece I forgot to, or I put on at the wrong time. This pull down here, this bar, holds the table, but I can't get that table in because I already bolted the bottom part on, so I'm gonna have to take that whole bottom part apart again. But guess you live and learn, right? Well, I'm all finished. Got an extra set screw. Must have been from the pulley that I took off that I didn't put back on. This had a pulley here before, remember? So I'm guessing that's what that's from. And this bolt is what holds this down, but it's sheared off. So I still haven't figured out how I'm going to get this thing back in there, or drill that out and put a new one in there. But other than that, things working like a charm. One thing I don't know how to do is, how do you get it back up once it's all the way down? And I guess you turn this. I think oh, I see. I'm missing a handle up here. I'm going to have to fabricate a wood handle to help me spin this back up. Because it doesn't go back up by itself. It goes down, but it doesn't go back up. But there it is. Let me show a close-up of how the mechanism works to push this down. This little thing right here is pretty ingenious. It's there's teeth on this top wheel, and this catches those teeth, and it's on a cam right here. If you see this, this is perfectly round, but see, this one has an offset to it, and as it rides, it pushes. See, it goes back, and then it pushes it down, and it pushes it down. It's pretty cool. Now it's going down very slow. I think this adjuster right here lets you go a little farther. There it is. Here's a close-up of the flywheel. It's working pretty effortlessly, actually. Well, there's the finished product. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.